We introduce Sauron, an embedded machine vision-based system for sensing human input on physical controls. Sauron includes a plugin for a commercial CAD tool which automatically modifies the internal geometry of a designer's model to make it suitable for vision-based sensing. First, a designer creates a prototype in his CAD software. He inserts a virtual camera, which allows him to see the field of view of his physical camera. During his design process, he can use Quick Check to quickly see whether components will need to be modified in order to be seen. Once he is happy with his design, the designer can run a full analysis, which performs extrusions and suggests mirror placement locations. For example, with this game controller, Sauron has extended the interior of the two bumper buttons on the top to bring them into the camera's view and suggested placement for two small mirrors in order to see the trigger buttons in the back. Once he prints his device, our designer simply takes a Sharpie and marks up the interior of the input components he printed, then glues in the mirrors as suggested. As a final step, he screws the camera into his object. Here we can see that the direction pad is being moved as the dots change size and orientation. Sauron uses a single miniature camera with an embedded ring light to observe changes on the interior of input components as users actuate them. The vision software sends processed events out via OSC for designers to use. Our designer has chosen to make a small game to test his controller. We, the authors, also used Sauron to create a disc jockey controller for mixing music.